Welcome back to the class, children. Today in this video we will see a poem that is Shopping for Time. This poem is written by the children's writer Shantini Govindan. Before starting the poem, let us see the word power. Running short of time. The meaning of running short of time is late for something, not having enough time to do everything. Linger. The meaning of linger is here, stay even though it's time to get out of bed. Stretch. The meaning of stretch is make longer. Now let us know about the writer Shantini Govindan. Shantini Govindan is a children's writer. She has written more than 40 books for children in English, including poems and short stories. She has also written for magazines and newspapers. She has conducted workshops for children and taught creative writing at the University of Mumbai. In this poem, the speaker dreams for a special shop which sells time. She says that if there was such a shop, she would go there often to buy extra minutes and Sunday afternoons. But she would not want to buy any extra hour that would remind her of her work. So children, this was about the writer. Now let us see the poem. Shopping for time. If there was a wonderful store somewhere that we could step into to buy time, I'd be a regular customer there, because I am always running short of time. I'd buy small packages of 5 or 10 extra minutes. They'd help me to stretch my hours a little more and linger lazily in my bed in the mornings for just a few precious minutes more. I'd surely buy some lazy Sunday afternoons and lots of sunny summer days too. But I am sure that I won't buy any Monday mornings. They remind me of all the work ahead for me to do. The speaker in this poem seems to be a child. She wishes if there was a wonderful store somewhere, she would be a regular customer at a shop which sells time because she is always running short of time. She wants to buy some small packages of 5 or 10 extra minutes so that she can make her hours longer little more. She would get more time for work and play. She would not be late if she had those extra minutes. Also, the speaker wants to linger in bed and enjoy lazy Sunday afternoon and sunny summer day as children do. She wants to sleep longer with those few precious minutes. She does not like Monday morning because Monday morning remind her all the work she has to do. So children, this was about the shopping for time.